Hello everyone and welcome to CoinCast Daily. I'm Alex. Today we're focusing on one of the biggest stories in crypto right now. Bitcoin is edging closer to its all-time high, and the market is on high alert. In this video, we'll break down what's driving this move, whether it's sustainable, and what we might see next. As always, this is analysis and opinion, not financial advice. Let's dive in. Bitcoin has surged past $120,000, marking a new 2-month high. Investors plus 2 barons plus 2, it's now just a fraction away from its recent all-time high, 123,000 set in August. New York Post plus 1, what's fueling this run? A few key factors. Massive institutional inflows into Bitcoin and crypto ETFs. Investors plus 2 barons plus 2. Growing perception of BTC as digital gold in times of economic uncertainty. New York Post plus 1, regulatory optimism and policy shifts, especially in the US barons. So the momentum is strong, but the question is, how much higher can it go? And when might we see a pullback? Let's explore the main engines pushing Bitcoin upward. Institutional accumulation and ETF capital. Big money is flowing into BTC. Institutional firms and ETFs are buying aggressively. Investors plus 2 barons plus 2. This reduces available supply and adds upward pressure. Supply tightening, demand shock. Many BTC holders are reluctant to sell near ATHs, reducing circulating supply. Combined with demand from new entrants, this can push price higher quickly. Macro and policy environment, weak US dollar or dovish signals from the Fed tend to favor risk assets like crypto. Any positive regulatory developments, clearer crypto law, or favorable rulings can amplify confidence. Psychological and technical breakout zone. As BTC nears the ATH zone, many traders watch for a clean breakout that could trigger FOMO and further buying. Conversely, resistance near ATH often acts as a strong ceiling. To see how this plays out, here are the critical price levels and indicators to monitor. Resistance, breakout zone. $123,000 ATH region. Support zones below. $115,000, $118,000 range. Watch the volume. A breakout needs strong volume to sustain on-chain metrics, large transfer flows, exchange inflows, outflows, sentiment, and news. Any regulatory or policy surprise could swing direction fast if BTC breaks above $123,000 with conviction. We could see a run toward $130,000 in the short term. If it rejects, a pullback to support levels is very possible. Let's outline possible scenarios. Bullish scenario. BTC breaks above the ATH region with strong volume. Momentum carries it upward toward $130,000 or higher. Ethereum and altcoins rally alongside neutral sideways scenario. Price remains range-bound between support and ATH zone. Traders wait for confirmation and volume buildup. A buildup of pressure may precede the next major move, bearish rejection scenario. BTC fails to break ATH and faces rejection. Price falls back toward $115,000, $118,000. We could see volatility and possible corrections. Section 5, timing and what could trigger moves. 4:35:30. Timing matters. Some windows to watch closely. U.S. market hours and overlap periods are often intense for price action economic data releases. Inflation, jobs, Fed hints are catalysts. Options, expiry. Futures expiry days can cause sharp squeezes. Big news or regulatory events, court rulings, legislation can trigger surprise reactions. You want to be especially alert around those windows. To conclude, Bitcoin's march toward its all-time high is real and backed by momentum and institutional buying. But breaking above that level convincingly is the true test. We could see continued upside or a temporary pullback if resistance holds. Either way, volatility is high, and moves might be sharp. If you found this breakdown useful, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment below. Do you think Bitcoin will smash ATH today, or experience a pullback? Thanks for watching CoinCast Daily. Trade smart, stay alert, and see you in the next one.